So I bought a piece of plywood at Lowe's 2 days ago and asked them if they could cut a couple pieces for me. And they said, sure. Told them I needed a 16-inch piece, a 16-inch piece, a 30-inch piece, and whatever was left over was fine. When I got home, I measured them. And what I found is they gave me, not a single cut was accurate. When I called the store, they said, oh, it's a big saw and we don't guarantee accuracy. I thought that was kind of odd because in the past, the cuts were always perfect. So if we look, that's not 16. That's past 16. And that's well short of 30. So is it a matter of the saw's not accurate, or you just had an untrained associate Saturday night who just willy-nilly made random cuts? Not only is that, but they're not even consistent. There's 15 and 13/16 at one end is 15 and 15/16 at the other. The 29 and 7/8 at one end is 29 and 15/16 at the other. So I think Lowe's has an unsupervised, untrained young person stuck with cutting plywood on a Saturday night.